students, welcome back. In this video we will talk about expressing concentration of solutions. This topic is in continuation with the previous topics as we studied in my previous videos. So now this is expressing concentration of solutions. So what is the meaning of concentration of solutions? पिछले वीडियोस में हमने देखा कि सॉल्यूशंस कैसे बनते हैं, कितनी टाइप के होते हैं, बट अब हम इसमें फर्दर स्टडी करेंगे व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस और इसको हम एक्सप्रेस कैसे करेंगे, कितने वेज हैं कंसंट्रेशंस को एक्सप्रेस करने के. सो द मीनिंग ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन दैट इज़ द अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्यूट मीन्स how much solute you have added into the solvent to make it a solutions. So present it is in the given quantity of solution, how much amount of solute that is present in the given quantity of solution. So इसमें कितना amount हमने डाला है और कैसे उसको express करेंगे. So basically concentration of solutions, there are two ways to express the concentration of solutions, that is qualitatively and quantitatively. Qualitatively simply that is used to that whether the solution is dilute or कंसनट्रेटेड. सो डाइल्यूट और कंसनट्रेटेड सिर्फ हमें इतना बताते हैं कि दैट इन दिस लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशंस. सो सिंपली it means that it has very small quantity of solute. So बहुत कम क्वांटिटी है solute की, ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं है. और concentrated सिर्फ हमें ये आइडिया देगा कि that उसमें रिलेटिवली ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी है सॉल्यूट की, इसीलिए वो कंसनट्रेटेड है. सो क्वालिटेटिवली दैट विल टेल ओनली अबाउट वेदर इट हैज़ लेस और मोर सॉल्यूट. सो इन डाइल्यूट that has very small quantity and in concentrated that is having very large quantity of solute. But how much, that is how much solute, what is the amount in grams that is present in the solutions, that is exactly told by this quantitatively, that is exactly calculated by the quantitatively analysis. So this is the obviously this is the better method to express the concentration because it tells about the exact amount of the solute that is present in the solutions. So there are the various methods to express the concentration of solutions. The very first is mass percentage, then volume percentage, then mass by volume percentage, parts per million or ppm, mole fraction, molality and normality. So these are the various methods by which we can describe the amount of solute present in the given quantity of the solutions. So next lectures में हम ये सारी terms को one by one explain करेंगे.